An upcoming class entitled Social Media Masterclass 101. It takes place on March 18th. So a big question that I get a lot is and I still get this from some people in business, what is the importance of social media in business? It is a necessity to have business representation, brand awareness in a social media, space.
Whatever your business is, no matter if you are direct to consumer or if you're business to business, having that presence online on social media is super important.
Now,
like newspapers.
There you go. I'm of a certain age.
Print.
There you go. I'm of a certain age where, as a kid, I remember phone books. I remember newspapers. I remember billboards being heavy in the game. I remember the back of benches and people in handouts and flyers. All of those things relatively still are here because the generations that utilized it are
still here,
but they aren't as effective.
It's almost like your credibility is questioned if you're not, just because it's so prevalent now. And I don't know if whoever's listening, what stage they are in life, but I actually had a realtor that asked me how important was social media, and I told them that when I was looking for a realtor, I actually looked them up on social media.
Right. That all comes into play about the class that we're putting on March 18th. So it is a collaboration of the JLux Group and Launcharts Media. We will have a few specialists on hand throughout the curriculum, a few of our strategists and some of our designers.
And everything that we're going to give the students that decide to come and learn from us. And she was telling me that we're giving so much away for such a low price. Because when you go into the materials that they're going to get to apply to their brands, the workbook that we've been talking about, she's that alone I feel would be $150. And then on top of that, we're giving them the free audit. We're giving them all of not all of everything. We can't give away all of our secrets, but we're giving them a really good detailed outlook on how they can apply certain things to their brand and organize their team or just themselves, just organize their social media in a way where it's working when they're not.
Again, Courtney Reynolds of JLux Group, Jamar Newell, Launcharts Media. That's Social Media Masterclass 101 on March 18th. Get to Eventbrite and we'll see you there.